I know I speak truth when I say we've all got that one gun in our collection that works incredibly well every single time. It's not flashy, not expensive, and not even popular, yet every time we take it out for an adventure or in self-defense, it never fails. Those are the kind of guns I'm about to show you. While the most popular handguns have the spotlight on them and everyone seems to gravitate towards the big names, there are some really incredible guns that don't have all the hype built around them, but they still perform exceptionally well. We call them the top 5 underrated guns you overlooked. We'll reveal these underrated guns and add 2 bonuses as recommendations, so make sure to stick around. In light of that, let's roll out the red carpet and put the spotlight on some gems. The Steyr Aug rifle. You know what feeling is akin to buying a new car? Owning a gun that works. In fact, the feeling of owning a workable, reliable gun far surpasses any other feeling because you know that whatever happens, when things go south, you've got something to defend you. For those who have experience with the Steyr Aug, it would be a little difficult to convince them not to trust it. That's how reliable the gun has proven to be. This uniquely designed compact bullpup rifle is gas-operated with a modular design that makes configuration sweet and easy. Adopted by the Australian Army in 1977, the Steyr Aug means a great deal to military around the world. We just don't pay enough attention to it in the US. Although most people find the trigger unnecessarily heavy, it's not exactly a deal breaker for many, as the gun has a knack for producing the best shots on target. Its accuracy is battle-proven, and with the right optics, you get to enjoy the best shooting experience. Another interesting fact is that the Steyr is semi-automatic with the option of going fully automatic. It's compact enough to not take up too much space in your safe while containing enough firepower to get the job done. With varying models and price tags that start around as low as $450, the Steyr Aug deserves more attention. Durability is non-negotiable if you're looking for a gun that'll outlive you, and the CZ Bren 3 offers that possibility. It's one of the most durable assault rifles that's ever been made, with a track record for withstanding the most daring conditions. Anything from muddy trenches, deserts, to freezing mountains, the gun is durable enough to withstand them all and still work perfectly. The CZ Bren 3 is a lightweight rifle made of 7075 T6 duralumin with an upper receiver made of reinforced steel, well coated against corrosion. You know it's of no use when a gun is durable but unreliable. However, this one's not like that. The Bren 3 has proven to work exceptionally while it lasts. It's highly accurate and reliable, designed to offer a comfortable shooting experience. The CZ Bren 3 comes in 2 standard calibers, 5.56 by 45 NATO and 300 AAC. There are various barrel lengths available depending on your intended use and preferences, with a 30-round capacity. If you don't remember anything about the CZ Bren 3, remember that it's insanely durable. And of course, with all that the gun comes packed with, expect a high price tag of $2,000. You might even find it for less if you're lucky. When some people hear of a budget revolver, they think, oh, it's gotta be crap to be that cheap. However, Taurus has demonstrated that budget-friendly doesn't always equal crappy. This outstanding carry revolver, called the Taurus 856, is a charming small gun that performs way more than some popular revolvers on the market. Chambered in .38 Special, Taurus tried to do something unusual with the 856 by equipping it with a 6-shot cylinder. It's not so common to find miniature guns like this perform at the level on which the 856 performs, offering tremendous power and accuracy while maintaining minimal recoil. Thanks to its ergonomic grip, the gun remains controllable shot after shot. The Taurus 856 displays a lot of attention to details with its rounded ejection rod, unlike most rods found in revolvers. The gun is also available in variants like the 856 Defender and 856 Ultralight. The budget friendliness of the Taurus 856, going for about $300 or even less, makes it a good option for concealed carry if you're working with a tight budget. There's no doubt that some guns are straight up uninteresting and even low performing, but very rarely do you find a Smith & Wesson performing terribly, which is why it's surprising that a pistol as effective as the M&P 9 M2.0 metal is underrated. This gun performs in the best way possible. It's impressively lightweighted for a full-sized metal pistol and is even suitable for carry. Engineered for precision, the M&P 9 M2.0 metal is one of Smith & Wesson's most accurate guns from the M&P series. It's equipped with everything you desire in a duty or carry gun with a 17-round capacity. Whether you need a carry gun, home defense weapon, or just something for a fun time at the range, you won't be disappointed by the performance of this underrated masterpiece. Featuring an aggressive texture for enhanced comfort and control, the M&P 9 M2.0 metal is sure worth a place in a collection of reliable handguns. It goes for about $899, and this is one of the handguns on the market that gives you value for your cash. It won't turn out to be a wrong buy or a wasted effort. The power and efficiency of the 10mm ammo cannot be overemphasized. It's quite a pity that the Colt Delta Elite doesn't get the recognition it deserves for its performance and delivery. Should we talk about the penetrating power of its ammo, the classic 1911 design, or its overall quality? When it comes to stopping power, very few modern 1911s stand a chance against the Delta Elite. When it comes to accuracy, the gun was basically designed for it, and when quality matters, take it out for a spin and get a taste of quality. The Colt Delta Elite hardly ever jams or experiences failure to feed. It maintains impressive reliability shot after shot. We could all use a durable and high-performing pistol like the Delta Elite in our collection. Although the recoil of the gun tends to be significant at times, it's nothing a pro can't handle. With an MSRP of $1,200, the Colt Delta Elite is a great self-defense pistol that will serve as much as many renowned 1911s. Before we wrap this up, here are two more recommendations you'd find helpful. When 6 Sauer saw that the M17 was appealing to many users, they made a civilian version of the military M17 known as the SICK P320 M17. While the core of both versions are the same, there are slight differences in each. The P320 M17 is a 17-round 9mm pistol with a 21-round extended capacity. A disguising and cherished feature of this sleek model is its modularity. You get to make changes to the gun to suit your preference, and its affordability makes it a top contender for the most reliable, budget-friendly pistol on the market. The gun is equipped with SICK Light front sight and a removable night sight rear plate. It also has a Picatinny rail for accessories. An accessory that goes well with the SICK P320 M17 is the Nightcore EDC-27. It's a highly effective light accessory with a built-in Li-ion rechargeable battery. The EDC-27 has a maximum output of 3,000 lumens. Its ultra-slim body and white beam color makes it a perfect accessory to carry along, and it goes for about $89.95. So, there you have it. Not all firearms are created equal, yet there's no doubt that some firearms deserve more attention and fame than they get. Well then, are there any other underrated guns that you know? Or maybe one you think shouldn't even exist at all? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. We're always excited to read your comments. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and in order to not miss out on subsequent uploads, kindly turn on notifications for all of our videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you around.